Okay, let's solve this. This question came in 22 of mechanical engineering. It is a 2-mark question. Okay, so let's see how we can solve it. For past m days, the daily average production at a company was 100 units per day. If today production of 180 units change the average to 110 units per day, what is the value of m? Okay. So given values are given as average, which is 100, equals to total units. Let's assume it's u over m days. So here we will have u equals to 100 m. Okay. If today production changes the average to 110 units per day, then what is the value of m? Okay, so let's see that the new average equals to 110 units plus 180, because today we have produced 180. Now m plus 1 days, 1 extra day, simply 110 m plus 110 equals u is 100 m plus 180. So simply let's solve this equation. Okay, it is 100 m. So 10 m equals to 180 minus 110. It implies that m equals to 7. If you solve this question, then you will get the value of m is 7. Now let's see if this is the value we have in options. Yes, the option C is 7 and it is the correct answer. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.